Hi everyone! In my previous videos, I've talked a lot about how essential it is to have a speaking partner to practice your fluency. But let's be real, there are many moments when you are completely alone or simply don't have anyone available to talk to. Today, I'm going to share a game-changing tool that solves this exact problem, Gemini Voice Mode. Have you ever tried using it for language practice? It's an incredible feature where you can have a real-time, fluid conversation with Gemini. You simply open the app or web interface, press the voice button and start talking. And the best part, don't be shy, you are speaking with an AI, which means there is zero judgment and zero pressure. When you practice speaking with Gemini, you aren't stuck with a rigid robotic voice. You can actually customize its persona to match your specific learning needs. You can ask Gemini to act as a strict tutor, a supportive friend, or a patient teacher. This level of customization allows you to discover new words, learn natural phrases, and build confidence and engaging environment. While the paid tier Gemini Advanced offers even higher capacity and faster response times, the free version of Gemini is already an absolutely powerhouse for daily practice. It gives you immediate access to interactive voice practice without costing a single dime. To make the most out of this tool, you need to use the right instructions. Here are 3 super effective prompts you can use right away. Prompt 1. The casual native speaker. Act as a native English speaker, having a casual conversation with me. Use natural pause, conversational fillers like well, you know, and keep your sentences short and interactive so we can have a natural flow. This prompt is amazing because it teaches you how real people speak instead of textbook English. Prompt 2. The patient tutor, perfect for shy beginners. Act as a patient English tutor. Speak slightly slower, use common vocabulary, and if I make a major mistake, gently correct me before continuing our conversation. This allows you to learn from your mistakes in real time without feeling overwhelmed. Prompt 3. The every role play. Let's do a role play. You are a barista at a coffee shop in New York City. Start the conversation by asking me what I would like to order today. Role-playing real-life scenarios like ordering coffee, checking in a airport, or going to a job interview builds muscle memory for practical solutions. Another feature I absolutely love is the automatic transcript. Once you finish your voice session, Gemini generates a complete text transcription of everything you said and everything it replied. This is where the real learning happens. You can read through the transcription to review your grammar, identify repeating mistakes, and copy new vocabulary into your notebook. Here is a transcript from one of my recent sessions. As you can see, I still make grammar mistakes when I speak spontaneously. But hey, that's completely normal. That's life, bro. It is what it is. The important thing is that every mistake is a step towards improvement. Gemini has a massive suite of tools to supercharge your language studies, as I've shown in my previous videos. If you don't have a speaking partner right now, giving voice mode a try is honestly one of the best choices you can make. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and help our community grow, and tell me in the comments. Have you ever used Gemini or any other AI to practice speaking English? See you in the next video.